Hey everyone, so today I am going to be sharing with you all what is in my hospital bag. I am officially 33 weeks today when I'm filming this video, and I am really just trying to be prepared for this delivery. As most of you know, this is my second baby and this is my second C-section. My first C-section was not planned. This one is planned, which is kind of nice because I already have a date set, but I still want to be prepared because the baby could come early and I would hate to not have all the things that I need. So I decided to go ahead and get my hospital bag packed so that it'll be ready to go in the event the baby decided to come early. I'm praying he stays in there. Everything so far has been good, but I still just wanted to be prepared. So I will be bringing my carry-on suitcase because I can pack my stuff and baby stuff all in one bag, and it's on wheels, so it'll be easy for us to take it in and out of the hospital. So I just wanted to kind of condense everything because I don't need a whole lot. I am packing pretty light, I think, compared to how I packed the first time, and I just want to have the necessities, the things that I know I am going to use while I'm in the hospital. I don't want just a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and share with you all the things that I'll be packing in my hospital bag. Again, I am having a cesarean, so my hospital stay will be about 2 to 3 days. Hopefully no more than that, but if everything goes well, we'll be out of the hospital in 2 to 3 days. If you guys don't know, with a cesarean, you tend to have to stay in the hospital a little bit longer because you are going through a major surgery. While I don't really like hospitals, I don't have a problem staying in the hospital longer if I need to. I have my Breast Friend nursing pillow. I am bringing this with me to the hospital because after having a C-section, you don't want anything near your incision. So nursing pillows are great for that because they sit up higher on your torso. This one I like because it actually goes around the entire body, so it gives you back support as well. I'm definitely bringing this with me because I do plan to nurse the baby while at the hospital. So now I'm just going to share with you all the items that I have inside the suitcase. I was able to fit my stuff as well as the baby stuff in this suitcase, which is great. So the first thing I have are my slippers. These are my UGG slippers that I just purchased during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So I do plan on taking these with me. I recommend everyone take house slippers with you. Now, the hospital will give you socks, but I am not a fan of socks. I like to be barefoot or just wear slippers, and I don't really like walking around the hospital in socks either. So these are going to be great. So I have these in here. I'm not going to bring a purse. I'm just going to bring my wallet. This will have my insurance information, my ID. I have some change in here, some cash in case we need it. And yeah, this is all I need. I did already do my registration, so I don't have any paperwork that I need to bring to the hospital with me. Typically you would have like a folder with all your documents and stuff, but I've already done that so that I can avoid that. I literally just show up at the hospital and they'll start admitting me and things like that. So bring just a wallet. You don't need to bring a purse. You can if you want to, but I'm trying to keep things to a minimum, so I'm just bringing my wallet. So on this side, I have my stuff and baby stuff. These are packing cubes that were actually gifted to me. The company reached out to me and wanted to send them to me, and I was like, sure. But you guys know I usually use my Yvette Sport reusable bags, which I'll still be using those. I'll show you what I have in those. But I thought this was cool. It came in like a set of 6. So I have one for the baby and one for myself, which is perfect, and they match my suitcase perfectly because they have like that marble design on them, which is the same as my suitcase. So I thought that was pretty cool. So in here for the baby, I have a pacifier and a pacifier clip. I have a swaddle blanket. I'm just bringing one. I have a few diapers. I like using Pampers. I'm not sure what my hospital uses, but I do know that my hospital will provide us with Pampers, so I technically don't need to bring these. This is by Halo, and these are really, really nice. I use these with Sefton, and he loved them. So I find these to be much better than blankets. I just prefer actual swaddles for my babies, so I'm bringing one. I'm gonna bring a couple short sleeve t-shirts because when you swaddle, they don't really need a lot of clothes, but I still want him to have something on. So I'm bringing 2 short sleeve onesies, and then I'm gonna bring 2 long sleeve onesies. And then I'm just gonna bring a couple outfits. I have a white onesie for him, and he'll come home in one of these. I don't know which one yet. And then I have a hat, a little gray hat with a knot. And then I have a white hat, little beanie hat, and then a gray, same as the white one. I'll pop up a clip here. I was trying to like coordinate the pacifier with the outfits just for pictures and stuff. So yeah, I have an extra pacifier in here. This is the white one. I'm bringing 2 different pacifiers too. And then this little outfit from H&M, it comes with a hat, little long sleeve onesie, and pants with the feet in them. And then I'm just bringing 2 pairs of socks. He probably won't wear them, but I'm just bringing 2 pairs just in case. And then I have his announcement outfit here. This is the outfit that he's gonna wear to take photos and when we announce it to you guys and to our family and friends. So it's just this super cute little hat and little one-piece little set, and you basically just tie a knot in the bottom. Super cute. This actually has his name on it, so I don't want to turn it around, but it's super cute. It has his name on it. So the name of the company is Caden Lane. Super cute, very soft, and just really, really nice. So that is his announcement outfit. And then I just have his little husher. This is a little hush machine. It comes with a USB cord for charging, and you can also hook this on to the car seat. So I plan on bringing this with us to the hospital, just to have like near his little bed that he'll be in while we're at the hospital, just to help him sleep. So yeah, that worked really well with Sefton, so I wanted to make sure I brought that. So that's everything that I'm bringing to the hospital for the baby. Again, they don't need a lot in the hospital, and the hospital is going to provide a lot of things for us. So I didn't want to overpack for him. All right, guys, sorry about that. I just had to switch to my phone because my camera is doing something weird right now. But anyway, moving along. So this is my stuff. I'm basically bringing like my own like gowns because I don't like the hospital gowns. So that's pretty much what I'll be in while I am in the hospital. So right here, I just have my black robe, and this is what I will probably be in the most just because I prefer my own robes over the hospital gowns that they give you. So I have that. And then this is a nursing sleep little tank dress. You can unsnap it so that you can nurse. It is padding. The pads do come out if you want, you know, if you don't need the extra padding, but I'll be bringing this as well. It's just great, loose and lightweight, which is what I prefer when I stay at the hospital. I do not like wearing pants or shorts or anything like that, so I'll just be wearing like sleep shirts. So I have another one here. This one is short sleeve, and it has buttons, so it's really nice for nursing. This one is just a long sleeve one, buttoned, that buttons down. Again, just a sleep shirt, very nice and comfortable. So these are all of the like sleep things that I'll be wearing while I'm at the hospital. And then you'll want a pair of shower shoes. I got these from Target. It's back to school time, so they had like all of their like college dorm stuff out, and I saw these. I love that they're perforated, so like the water just goes through the shoes. So I got these for the shower. I will be bringing my own washcloth and towel because I don't like the hospital towels. They're very thin and scratchy and just not good. So I'm just bringing this little gray set. I typically use white towels in my home. These are like my guest towels, so that's why I'm bringing them, because I really don't care that much about them getting messed up or whatever. So I'll be bringing my own towel. And then for my going home outfit, I'm just bringing this long maxi v-neck dress that's black, very loose and comfortable, easy for me to nurse the baby, and yeah, just very comfortable. For me, the key after a C-section delivery is to just wear lots of loose, comfortable clothing. I won't be bringing any leggings or pants or anything like that because I just prefer loose things. So yeah, that was everything that was in my bag. This little set also comes with a little laundry bag. So I thought that was really cool because I can put all of the dirty clothes in a separate bag. And then I can just throw that stuff in the washer once I get home. You also want to bring a long phone charger because the outlets in the hospitals are typically further away. So I'm bringing my long phone charger with me as well. All right, and in this little bag, I just have my underwear, bras, and some compression socks because you do experience swelling after you give birth, which it's been my experience. After my first delivery, I did experience a lot of swelling. So I wanted to make sure that I packed some compression socks. And these are super cute. They have hearts on them. They came in like a pack of 6 and a bunch of different designs, but I chose the ones with the little hearts on them because they're so cute. And then I'm bringing 4 nursing bras. To be honest, I really only need probably like 2 or 3, but this one mainly is going to be for going home. That's why I brought this one, but this is one I've shared here before from Amazon, and I love it. It does have padding in it, but you can take it out. This is probably my favorite nursing bra of all. But yeah, I'm packing this because this is what I'll probably wear with my going home outfit. And then these I have 3 of. I have it in black. And as you can see, it's basically like a sports bra, super comfortable. So I have it in black, have it in this like light nudish pink color. And then I also have it in white. So these are the bras that I'll be wearing in the hospital. They have like very little support, but they're easy for like night feedings and you don't have to worry about the snap or anything. So that's why I brought 3 of these. And then I just got these black super high waist, like brief underwear, just in case. I just brought 2 pair of these to wear. So in this bag, I just have pads. The hospital does provide you with pads, but they are extremely big and long, and they're not the most comfortable. So I am going to be bringing these like adult size diapers. So I'm just going to bring a few of those. I have some regular pads. These are by Honey Pot. And then these are like some thinner ones. So I just wanted to have a variety of pads just in case. And then I just have some Honey Pot wipes. And that's everything that's in this bag. And I just wanted to keep everything in one bag so that I can just like grab this and take it into the bathroom with me. And I may just leave it in the bathroom just so it'll be in there. But that's everything in here. And then in this bag, I have my water bottle. Now, the hospital will provide you with a really big water bottle, which is really nice, but I wanted to bring my own just in case. And then I just have like my hair stuff in here. I have a shower cap, my satin turban because I will be wrapping my hair, a satin scrunchie just in case I want to just throw my hair up in a ponytail or a bun. I have my Patterns comb. This is great. I can wrap my hair easily with this and comb it down. and then my eye mask. That's everything that's in this bag. And here I just have all of my like toiletry items, things like that. So I have a razor, shaving cream. I am getting waxed, so I don't even know if I'm going to need this because I'm actually going to have her do like everything, so I don't have to worry about it. But just in case, I put it in here because who knows what may happen. Again, I'm just trying to prepare for whatever. So I did put those in here. This is my travel size Honey Pot Mommy to Be Feminine Foam Wash. It's great. I love it. Body wash, deodorant. I got some facial cleanser in here. This is my nipple butter, toothpaste, facial moisturizer, put some Q-tips in here. So the only thing that's really missing from here is my toothbrush, and I'll be packing that at the last minute. So this is ready to go. I don't really plan on wearing makeup while I'm at the hospital, but they do pictures there, and we will be taking pictures. I am allowed visitors, so I'm sure pictures will be taken when my visitors come. So I just packed like the bare minimum, like bare minimum. I just have my NARS tinted moisturizer, little kabuki brush, a sponge, a brow pencil thingy, Vaseline cocoa butter lip balm, which is very important because your lips get really dry. I also brought my mini Laneige lip mask. This is my travel size Laura Mercier setting powder, because more than anything I'll probably be wearing concealer. So I got my NARS creamy concealer. This is a little travel Chanel mascara, a little compact mirror, and a little mini travel blush. So those are all the makeup items. And then I also put in here my Clean Skin facial cloths and my Chanel little cotton squares for my toners and things like that. So I put that in here too because it fits perfectly. So that is everything makeup related that I'll be bringing. Also, I will be getting my hair done prior to. That's one of the great things about having a scheduled C-section, is that you can kind of like plan ahead certain things. So yeah, hair will be done, and I have a wax appointment. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I think that is everything that I wanted to share with you all. It probably seems like I'm bringing a lot, but I'm really not. I'm not even bringing the baby's diaper bag. I'll do his diaper bag in a separate video. I will give you a hint. I will be using my Saint Laurent tote as his diaper bag. I did get an organizer for it, an organizer insert for it to keep everything organized. So I'll share his diaper bag in a separate video, but you really don't need to bring the baby's diaper bag with you to the hospital, because after you leave the hospital, you're literally going from the hospital home. And so yeah, there's really no point. Some last minute things like my camera, I'll be bringing that because I will be documenting the birth. PK will be filming a lot for me while we're there. So I'll bring my camera, my tripod. We'll have our phones, chargers, batteries, things like that. Oh, also snacks is a good one to bring, but I'll add that stuff later. So yeah, I think that's everything. I'll leave everything linked below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.